Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss Lily English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ms. Lily English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jason.
It is. I am always so happy when we can talk to our listeners. How are you doing today, Jason?
I am doing very well, thank you. I had a very nice morning. I went for a walk in the park. The sun is shining, and I have my big cup of coffee. I am ready. How about you?
Oh, that sounds lovely. I am very good too. I am excited because today we have a very special topic. It is a kind of secret.
Ooh, a secret. I love secrets. Tell me more.
Well, it's not a real secret, but many students don't know about it. It is a special way to practice speaking English.
Wow, that sounds very useful. We all want to speak better.
Exactly. But before we share the secret, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please take a second to click the like button. It really helps us. And please subscribe to Ms. Lily English so you never miss an episode. We want you here every time.
And share this with your friends. Maybe you have a friend who wants to learn this secret too.
Yes, sharing is caring. Okay, Lily, are you ready to learn about today's topic?
I am very ready. What is this special technique?
It is called the shadowing technique.
Shadowing. That is an interesting word. A shadow is the dark shape that follows you when it's sunny, right?
Yes, exactly. When you walk in the sun, your shadow does exactly what you do. If you jump, your shadow jumps.
Okay, I understand. But how do we shadow English?
Good question. Shadowing is when you listen to English audio and you try to repeat it immediately.
Ah, like listen and repeat. We do that in class. Sometimes the teacher speaks, then we wait, then we speak.
Not exactly. That is good, but shadowing is different. In shadowing, there is no waiting.
No waiting?
No, you speak at the same time as the audio. You are the shadow. You follow the voice very closely, almost instantly.
Wow. Speak at the same time. That sounds difficult.
It can feel a little crazy at first. You might think, I can't do this. It is too fast.
Yes, if I listen and speak at the same time, maybe I will get confused.
It is normal to feel confused at the start, but this technique is very, very powerful. It is like magic for your speaking.
Really? Why is it so good?
Well, think about learning a song. When you like a new song on the radio, what do?
I listen to it many times, and then I start to sing along with it.
Exactly. You sing with the artist. You don't wait for them to finish the line. You sing together.
That is true. I sing in the car very loudly.
I am sure you are a great singer. Shadowing is the same. You are singing along with the English conversation.
I see. That makes sense. It helps me learn the rhythm.
Yes, that is the first big reason why it works. It helps with intonation.
Intonation. That is a big word. Can you explain it?
Sure. Intonation is the music of the language. It is when our voice goes up or goes down.
Ah, like when I ask a question, my voice goes up at the end.
Exactly. Are you happy? Your voice goes up. If you just read a book, you don't hear the music. You only see the words.
That is very true. Sometimes I sound a bit like a robot when I read. I am very happy.
Yes, we don't want to sound like robots, we want to sound natural. Shadowing helps you copy the natural music of a native speaker.
That is great. I want to sound natural, not robotic.
Another reason it works is muscle memory.
Muscle memory, like when I go to the gym?
Yes, your mouth has many small muscles. When you speak a new language, Your mouth needs to learn new movements.
Oh, I never thought about that. My mouth needs exercise.
It does. Shadowing is like gym training for your tongue and lips. You practice moving them quickly, just like a native speaker.
I like this idea. I don't need heavy weights, I just need my voice.
That's right. It is easy to do anywhere.
Okay, Lily, I am convinced. I want to try it. How do I start? What are the steps?
Great. Let's talk about how to practice. Step 1 is very important. Choose the right audio.
What is the right audio? Can I use a fast English movie?
Maybe not yet. If it is too fast, you will feel frustrated. Start with something easy, something you can understand almost 100%.
What about this podcast?
Yes, this podcast is perfect for shadowing. We speak slowly and clearly.
Okay, listen first to understand. That is easy.
Step 3 is optional but very helpful. Read the transcript.
Yes, we have transcripts for our episodes, so I can read the words while I listen.
Yes, this helps you connect the sound to the spelling.
Okay, and then step 4,
Step 4 is the shadow.
the shadow.
Yes, play the audio again, and this time, try to speak with us. Say exactly what we say, exactly when we say it.
Do I need to be perfect?
No, absolutely not. You will make mistakes. You will miss words. That is completely okay.
That is good to know. If I miss the word, should I stop the audio?
Try not to stop. Just keep going. If you miss a word, jump back in. Imagine you are singing a song. If you miss a word, you don't stop the car. You keep singing.
That is a great tip. Just keep moving.
Yes, shadowing is about flow, not perfection.
Do you have any pro tips to make it even better?
I do. First, use headphones.
Headphones. Why are they better? With headphones, you can hear small pronunciation details better and hear your own voice more clearly.
That helps me focus.
Second, start small. Don't try to shadow 20 minutes on day 1.
That sounds exhausting. My mouth would be very tired.
Just try 2 minutes or one small part.
2 minutes is easy. I can do 2 minutes while I wash dishes.
Yes, you can do it while cooking, cleaning, or walking.
I might look funny talking to myself.
Maybe, but you will have the best English accent.
That is true. I don't care if I look funny, if I sound good.
I have one more tip for brave students. Record yourself.
Record myself. Oh no, I hate listening to my own voice.
I know many people do, but it's very useful.
How does it help?
Record your shadowing and compare with the original.
So I can hear where I'm different.
Exactly. You might hear, Lily's voice goes up here, but mine goes down. Then you fix it.
That is powerful, like being my own teacher.
Yes, it is the fastest way to improve.
Okay, I will try to be brave. I will record myself.
Good job, Jason. I know you can do it. So now we have the technique, we know why it works, and we have the steps.
Yes, now I think it is time for a challenge.
A challenge. I love challenges. What should our listeners do?
I challenge everyone listening to try shadowing with this episode.
Oh, that is a great idea.
Yes, you can pick a person. Maybe you want to shadow me. I have the best lines.
Or you can shadow me. If they shadow me when I say, hello, everyone, they should say, hello, everyone, at the same time.
Exactly. Copy our emotion too. If Jason laughs, you laugh.
This is going to be fun. I hope our listeners are laughing with us.
Me too. When you are happy, you learn faster. Stress is bad for learning.
So don't stress. Treat shadowing like a game, a fun voice game.
I like that. It is just a game.
Let's review the main points. Shadowing is listening and speaking at the same time.
Yes. Not listen and repeat, listen and speak together.
And it helps intonation and mouth muscles.
Perfect. And the steps. Choose easy audio, listen first, then shadow. Don't worry about mistakes.
You got it. You are an expert now.
I feel like an expert. I will shadow my favorite movie this weekend. I am here to save the day.
Ooh, which movie?
I like superhero movies.
Wonderful. Great practice. And to our listeners, we want to know if you try this.
Yes, tell us in the comments, have you tried shadowing? Or what will you shadow first? A podcast? A song? A movie?
We love to read your ideas.
It really is interesting to see how everyone learns.
Learning English is a journey. Take small steps every day. Shadowing is a perfect small step.
Just 2 minutes today.
Well, Jason, that is all for today's episode.
Time flies when we're having fun. Thank you, Lily, for teaching us this great secret.
You are very welcome. Thank you for learning with me. And thank you to all our listeners.
Yes, thank you. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and share this episode. Let's all shadow together.
See you next time with more easy and fun English. Bye-bye, everyone. Happy shadowing.
Bye.